Sana, I just knew it that Xolani and Zethu's relationship will definitely come between Thandeka and Tumega's friendship. Now that everything is out, now that Xolani have told his family that Zethu is pregnant, and not only is Zethu pregnant, but it is Linkamva's child. Well, the old Tumega is back, calling Zethu all the names, saying that Zethu definitely wanted to trap Ulinkamva. Now, I don't know if Xolani will go further on and explain that she and Zethu are in a relationship and she has offered to help with a child. Now, that's what we gonna be saying this week. When I tell you that Cosmo drama is way better than the Sensen drama. Lalela, I just wanna live in Cosmo right now because they know how to deliver drama, okay? So, the Mabandlas are going through it after finding out the pregnancy of Zethu. And I think Xolani will do one of the most honorable things to step up and offer to be a stepfather in his ways. He says this is what Linkamva would have wanted him to do, to step up and be a stepdad to his kids. Now, I don't know, okay? I don't know. I do know that Tumega will be acting all paranoia. Tumega will go as far as slapping Xolani. This is when Thandeka will be like, Sana, isibindi, iliva ekanakana, uyithathaphi iliva ekanakana, ukuzoqhwaba umntanami ngempama, you know? And, Utumega will be like, did you hear what he said to me? And then Thandeka will be like, uyaxoka na. And I think, honestly, Xolani finally told Utumega a piece of his mind, what he really thinks of Utumega, that she is a hypocrite. I do think that Utumega is a hypocrite, and I do think that it's just a matter of time that Uhlazi realizes that, oh no, the old Tumega is back in surface. Now, I don't like how Tumega encourages Uhlanzi to cut off the contracts that he had with the Zondo Technologies. And for me, that was very much hypocrisy from Tumega. I'm just like, Hlati, please, you need to leave this woman for your own sanity. Now, we will meet also Zethu's mom, who will be so concerned about Zethu, that Zethu is pregnant, and going as far as saying, Zethu, do you honestly think that pregnancy is a joke? Do you honestly think that pregnancy is something that you can play with? Do you think pregnant is something to play kids? But Zethu will try to defend herself. And honestly, Zethu is not in a good position, considering that the Mabandlas really do not want her except Xolani. I am like, I don't know, Zethu is the luckiest, and I'm grateful to Xolani for actually willing and going as far as what he is going to make sure that he supports Zethu. And he needs for Thandeka. I'm like, yes, Thandeka, okay. Someone needs to stand up for Zethu, because definitely Tumega is bully, kesana, bully. Hey, guys, now one thing that we do not know is how will Hlathi's relationship work out now, okay? Hlathi's relationship, how will it work out with his brother, okay? Because remember that Thandeka is married to Hlathi's brother. Xolani is actually Hlathi's nephew, because it's his brother's son. So I don't know if it will affect also their relationship. But I do believe that definitely Thandeka and Tumega's relationship forever ruined Gesana, and I am here for it. Oh, I don't know if this makes me a villain or what, but I am here for it. I'm here for the relationship being ruined. Thandeka his relationship and Uthumega. I want it to be tasted, and I want to see if really it is a real friendship, because sometimes I just feel like really Uthumega can not be friends with anyone. He is very, very selfish. This is why I'm like, okay, now it's time for us to test, really, is it a really friendship? Is it a real friendship? Oh, hi, shame. Uthumega evil. I find it very, very hard to just reconnect with this woman based on her heart. Now, she refused to be grateful Kuzethu, who gave a testimony as a witness. Appeal kalwandle. Listen, when I tell you that Uthumega was more like, yeah, asibongeni uThixo, I was just like, Tums, oh, what do you mean? Let's thank God. I mean, yes, we should thank God. But in this case, you are supposed to be grateful because Uzethu didn't have to, Moreover, Uzethu is actually working for the Zondos. So for her to turn her back on the Zondos and not even care that in that point she is risking her job, but still she gave a testimony for Ulwandle. I mean, for the testimony that is favors uLinkamva, because she was in Linkamva's life and it also happened to her, and she was like, no, Ulwandle did not make a mistake on that night. Lwandle left us lying there, and it was definitely not a mistake. It's one thing to say you made a mistake by crashing a car. It's another to actually leave people that you clearly see that these people need your help. And Ulwandle, in that moment, in that instance, he left people that he could see that these people needs my help. So, I mean, yes, Uhlati had a talk with Uthumega, which was about time. And, man, I mean, as much as Uthumega was like, yeah, I see I might have been wrong, but I'm just like, I'm so over you, Tums. Meanwhile, the Zondos are fighting. It seems like Uhlengiwe was willing to do just about anything to get her son out of a prison. I don't know if I should say she acted as a mom or what, but yeah, Uhlengiwe even staged the attack Galwandle. Unfortunately, Mr. Zondo find out ukuthi Uhlengiwe staged the attack Galwandle. Not Uhlengiwe also pushing that Mr. Zondo must fire Uzethu. Like, Uhlengiwe is not a good mom. Like, she is not a good person. Let alone her not being a good mom. She's not a good person, because for the longest time, I was feeling like, okay, you know what? I feel sorry for Uhlengiwe. She's a mom, Any mom would do just about anything to protect their children, their son, But when she was also pushing the agenda of Zethu being fired, I'm just like, Uhlengiwe, no, you're taking it too far. Meanwhile, the Nguganas are still at it, trying to decide if they will put uAzande in a power. But it does seem like uAzande is not willing to back down. As much as Uzolega and Lazarus does not want to leave their company in the hands of Azande, as they feel like Azande is not yet ready to be a leader. But Azande is like, no, I'm tired of being treated like a child. I have been treated like a child for many times, and it stops here and it stops now. Right now, I am demanding what I feel like I deserve and it's due to me. Right now, I need to be in power. So, honestly, I do not know. I don't know if Lazarus and Uzolega will put Azande in power. I mean, Lazarus did say he still have just one more move in him, and we have not really seen him make his move. So perhaps they may not, I love the drama that Azande brings. I don't know if I'm toxic for it, but I'm here for it. I'm like, Azande, bring that drama. Bring it. I'm here for it, okay? Sana, we have a new forbidden love on Inimba. Yep, Uxolani is falling hard for Uzethu. In fact, they are falling for each other hard. When I say hard, I mean hard. Anyway, they decided that they're gonna just go ahead and date because no one should control them based on what they should and shouldn't feel. Now Uthandeka Xolani's mom is already aware of her son's feelings towards Uzethu, and shame Bandla Uthandeka tried so much to reprimand Uxolani and tell him that no, to be in a relationship with Uzethu is not a good idea. If anything, it's a bad idea, it's a horrible idea, it's wada, but Uxolani is like, you know what, mama, I'm not about that lifestyle. Like, I'm not about that lifestyle. I'm not gonna allow anyone to control me, tell me how should I feel and how I shouldn't feel. Anyway, this week we are also going to see and witness that Uhlati will also find out about this romantic relationship between Uxolani and Uzethu. It seems like our two young couples will not be able to keep their hands off each other. They will be so loving and, they will just want their hands on each other all the time until they are caught by Uhlati. Uhlati is going to confront everyone, even the parents. One thing that I like about Xolani, I must say, is the fact that he did ask for advice. He asked for advice from his dad. And his dad gave him a go ahead. He was like, it's okay if you like someone. It does not matter that she was once with someone that you happen to know. As long as you know that relationship is over and closed, you are within your rights to fall in love again. So I just wonder, will Xolani's dad, change his heart as soon as he finds out that his son is falling hard for Uzethu? Now, moving along to the Ngcukana drama, it is said that this is our last week seeing Lazarus and Zoleka as a couple, as Zoleka will be going on a 1-month break. However, Azande is demanding to be left as an acting CEO whilst Zoleka is on a break. He's like, listen, Zoleka, you are going on a break either way. Leave me as an acting CEO. And of course, Zoleka is not going to take it very nicely. And it is going to appear as if Azande is demanding, or rather blackmailing, Zoleka and Lazarus. Now, one thing that we do not know is, are they going to give in to the blackmail? Are they going to give in to the blackmail? I strongly suspect that they are going to give in to the blackmail. Remember, Zoleka have a decision to make to try to protect Uqhawekazi as well. And she will just feel like, you know what, maybe this is the right thing to do in trying to protect Uqhawekazi as well. Because Uqhawekazi needs to be protected and made sure that she ain't going to prison. She ain't going to prison because right now, it's just not looking good for Uqhawekazi as well. It's not looking good for Uqhawekazi. But Azande decided to keep a secret. But we all know Azande, he was just thinking for himself than for Uqhawekazi. Meanwhile, Lwandle is coming out. There was a hearing whereby the Mabandlas were opposing Lwandle coming out. Meanwhile, the Zondos, especially Lwandle's mom, Uhlengiwe, was pushing for Azande to come out. She was just like, listen, Azande needs to be out of prison. Azande needs and have to be out of prison. Lwandle, I'm sorry for saying Azande, Lwandle. And as a mom, she pushed everything that she could. There was a hearing. They also asked Uzethu to be part of the hearing, and Uzethu went there and just be like, no. What Lwandle did to us that day was very traumatic. Not only did he, crash on us, but he also left us there in the scene and just ran away like a coward and left us to bleed, So, yeah, but it does seem like, the law is sloppy. It does seem like Lwandle is coming back. He is going to be discharged. And I don't know how will the Mabandlas take the news. Lwandle being discharged, Xolani and Zethu's relationship being public. Hey guys, I don't know. Hey, I don't know how do I feel about Xolani and Zethu's relationship. Please do comment down below and tell me, how do you feel about this relationship? For me, it's tricky. Like, I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's very, very, very tricky. I don't know how exactly I feel about Zolega, about Zethu and Xolani's relationship. Another part of me is like, they shouldn't be together. Another part of me is like, it's not a big deal. These are two young couples. If they want to be together, what's the big deal? So yeah, I'm very much conflict head. I don't really know how I'm feeling, but yeah, good tricky. That's one thing I will tell you. Sana, it did not even take 5 minutes for Kawe to find out that Azande is up to no good. So, Saturday, Kawe walked in on Azande trying to register Kawe's idea under his name, and Kawe is like, what do you mean, babe? What do you mean? What were you doing? So clearly my mother was right all along. My mother tried to warn me that you are up to no good, and sadly I did not listen. And it does look like Kawe is seriously devastated by this news, and poor Azande can't and wouldn't be able to explain himself what was he doing. Now, one thing that I do not know, because I saw it on this week's trailer, is who will hurt Azande. I'm guessing it's Zolega. Honestly, I'm guessing it's Zolega. It seems like Kawe will call Zolega. She will be crying. She will be in a bad place. Then Zolega will come and say, hey, you are definitely messing with the wrong child now. You are definitely messing with the wrong child when you decide to mess with my child. Because Zolega did say, yazini uyasamawela ukubamba uAzande ngamawashingi. And also we get to see that Azande's mom will be here trying to save the day. Oh sana agadigi udawabo uyadiga sana, because enabling a child and spoiling a child like Azande, it's really bad, okay? And you can tell that Azande was definitely enabled and spoiled at the same time. But anyway, she would want to know who has had Azande this way. Now, this is why I'm saying it's probably Zolega, because the way Zolega is crying, oh sana, it's uncontrollable. And I'm just like, oh sana, is it you, Zozo? Did you say to Azande, don't ever mess with my child ever again? And honestly, I don't really blame Zolega, because really Azande tried to get in between Kawe and Zolega, and Zolega was just like, listen, I've worked so hard for me and Kawe to just build a relationship together, and now to see that all my hard work was for nothing, like, it's hurtful. And honestly, I do understand where is she coming from if she's gonna say, listen, this is very much hurtful, very, very hurtful. But but anyways, let's move into the Mabandla family. Oh sana, I hate the fact that Uzolega and not Uzolega, meant to say Uthumeka and Uhlati are back together. Like, I really hate it. I'm like, why are these two back together? Why? Can someone please tell me? I hate them back together. Anyway, it is said that Ulwandle is going to be released early, as Uhlengiwe is applying for an appeal for Ulwandle to be released early. Now I'm like, okay, we get to see Uthumeka and Hlati's relationship being tested once again. I mean, were they serious when they said that they no longer blame each other for Linkamva's death? It is what it is, we don't blame each other anymore. I think now we will get to see how serious, if they meant it, if they really meant the fact that they do not blame each other anymore with Linkamva. Whatever happened. But anyway, yeah, guys, like that's the tea. That's the tea pertaining Inimba this week. We all want to know, right? We all want to know. Oh, Sana, I can't stand Hlati and Tumega getting back together again. I really wanted the divorce to happen. I really wanted those two to get divorced and get it over and done with. Never have I ever thought